Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase mobile user experience with Shopify detailed guide step by step clearly. To enhance mobile user experience on Shopify, start by choosing a responsive theme. A responsive theme automatically adjusts to different screen sizes. Browse the Shopify theme store and select a mobile-friendly design. Next, optimize images to speed up loading times. Use tools like TinyPNG to compress images without losing quality. Ensure that fonts are legible and scalable on smaller screens. Select a font size that is at least 16 pixels for body text. Incorporate clear and intuitive navigation. Limit the number of menu items to avoid overcrowding. Consider using a hamburger menu for a cleaner look on mobile. Streamline the checkout process for mobile users. Reduce the number of steps required to complete a purchase. Enable guest checkout to minimize friction during the buying process. Implement mobile-specific features like click-to-call buttons. This allows users to contact you easily without typing out numbers. Use large touch-friendly buttons for calls to action. Ensure they are easy to tap without any accidental clicks. Regularly test your site on various mobile devices. This helps identify issues with layout or functionality. Utilize Google's mobile-friendly test to check your site's compatibility. Make sure to optimize load times to prevent user frustration. Aim for a loading time of under 3 seconds for mobile pages. Consider integrating progressive web apps for an enhanced experience. This enables users to access your site seamlessly without a browser. Analyze user behavior through Shopify's analytics tools. Track metrics to see where users struggle or drop off. Use heat maps to visualize user interaction with your pages. Adjust your layout based on the insights you gather. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.